jackfruit. You want jackfruit? Alright guys, so this is the jackfruit, and what my mom is doing is rubbing piece of jackfruit against another piece of jackfruit to get rid of the stain, right? The white thing, which will stain your fingers though, and stain up your finger, and some people even say it burn. So go there, mommy. So did you know that you can actually have the jackfruit green as well? So we'll start eat it. Yeah, this is how you eat the jackfruit, right? After you cut it and blend things there, you take out that, pluck it out, pluck out the seed, and then you eat that part. Some people even eat the part we're left behind like them.
Oh, right.
And then you take it out.
This one over,
And
right.
show them what them eat. You eat.
I forget this so clean. I'm gonna cut it out. To get out this.
Alright, so she used coconut oil so it's not stain up her hand too much. But yeah, that's it. Pluck away. Did you know that you can eat the green jackfruit? It can be a great substitute for meat. You can curry it. And yeah, for all the vegans and those who don't want meat, tastes good. So this is what it looks like. Some people eat them area, yeah. Some people don't. But yeah, just wanted to show you the jackfruit and how we do it. Jackfruit well in season right now.
The small one.
Remember to subscribe, share, like, comment the thing. We have so much more coming your way. Jamaican theme content, Caribbean theme as well. Until next time, stay up full, bless up, take care of yourself and each other.